How's it going? Hold up. Just got off work, so. Oh. Woo, it's hot in here. Alright, so today we are going to go and look at the house that is being renovated. Oh, there's a bee right there. Move. Go look at the house that's being renovated right now. They said that, you know, they pushed it back a week. Let's get the air pumping in here. They pushed it back a week. So, you know, hopefully there's a lot more, you know, production going on. They said that they were gonna do the floors, faucets, they were gonna paint, the tub they were gonna completely switch out. What else? They said that they were gonna put in a fence and a new door. So we are going to go and see if they've done any of that today. So I will get right back with you. Also, you know, Gladys, she doesn't really watch these videos at all whenever I upload them, and then unless I tell her about it. There's a cop right there. But she doesn't know. She kind of has a hint, but I told her. She went through my phone and saw a picture with me and a baby cat. She was just asking me all these questions. Where did you go? What house you went to? And I told her I went and looked at a cat, a little Bengal cat, little kitten. But I didn't get it because I said it was like $700. She was like, yeah, that's crazy. All this, all that. But what she doesn't know is that it's actually a lot cheaper than what I said. And I kind of just had to cover up my story so I can still surprise her with it. But she definitely does not know that we're going to have a kitten once we move in. So that should be pretty fun. Also, I'm on E, so I might run out of gas. She has my card right now, my debit card. She doesn't trust me with it. I don't trust myself with it. So yeah, if we run out of gas, at least I got y'all to talk to. Alright? Alright, I'll see y'all when I get there. Yesterday we went and got some security cameras. We definitely want this place secured. Sorry if it's all bumpy, man, this is such a bad road. But yeah, we also I dropped $700 on the mobile home yesterday so they can renovate it. I'm pulling up right now. Got a new door. They took out this wall right here. I'm so glad they took out this wall. It really opens everything up. Still got the door. Looks like they're redoing the carpets right now, or the floor. Looks like they're getting ready to. Let's see. Oh wow. Yeah, they're completely taking the tub out, redoing the bathroom. I think they're gonna make this into a little closet. That's kind of cool. Yeah, they're making this into a little closet, putting up the, They haven't gotten to painting yet. I really wanted this wall knocked out too, but I like it. It's different. How's it going?
Hey, how you doing, bud?
Pretty good. Just checking out the mobile home.
Huh?
Just checking out the mobile home.
Okay. Check it out.
Are y'all putting closets in right here?
Yes.
Okay. You're right beside you.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Putting a new toilet seat in. All right. I'm liking the looks of this. Right now they're putting in a little side step for this door right here, because you know, it's been locked, not been able to use. So they're finally gonna put that up. Yeah, I believe our fence is gonna be right here. We're gonna have a big backyard right here. Not too big, but it's definitely something to put Ryder in. He's one crazy dog. Yeah, I'm liking the looks of this. I really want that door out. I don't like that red door. This would be the baby's room. Yeah, they're definitely taking all this out. All of this is real old. I don't think anyone has lived here, you know, a few years actually. Love the patio though. Patio is amazing. Once we can definitely, you know, clear this all up, make this into, you know, something. We definitely want to start a garden over here, you know, on the side. Oh my, yep. But yeah, we got it going. Definitely got it going. Got some progress. I think they're gonna actually throw out all of this right here, because that couch is nasty. We were thinking about putting this couch out on the patio, but I don't know about that anymore. I think we might try and find a different type of couch. The only bad thing about this refrigerator is that it sticks out. Probably about maybe 5, you know, half a foot maybe. It's the only bad thing. I really want to get a smaller fridge. Really open up the, you know, whole hallway. But yeah, for the outside of the, you know, mobile home, I really want to paint, you know, the trim around the windows, kind of like a, you know, I don't know. I was thinking maybe, you know, the same color as, you know, the actual mobile home or the trim, or I kind of want to do a black. I think a black on the, you know, on all the windows around would be amazing. That'd look pretty cool. You know, make it look a little nicer than it does now. Let's see. Oh, we got our fence. I appreciate it. Y'all keep up the great work. Really liking this so far. Really liking it. We'll be moved in this pretty soon. You know, some of y'all might judge us for, you know, getting a small house, but you know, a lot of people don't think about, they just imagine on what they can get and what they can have. But in reality, when you put all your bills down on the table and how much you have between whoever's paying for how much and whatever, you know, reality really kicks in, and you know, it's something I'm excited for. I'm very excited for. I've been wanting to move out of my house, my mom's house, for at least 2 to 3 years now. Probably, yeah, about 2 years now. So, you know, I'm very excited to move in. It's just, you know, there's just something about it, you know. There's not something about the mobile home. It's just something about bringing a baby into the world, you know, with all this coronavirus going around. I just saw a post on Facebook today, actually. 2-week-old baby, or 2-week-old baby, not year old, 2-week-old baby came up positive for corona. So it was, you know, it's kind of cute because they put a little mask on the baby and all that. Cool little mask, very cute, you know, picture-wise. But man, I don't know. I'm glad we're having this baby. I'm blessed with this baby right now, but I just don't want to bring it into, you know, this really crappy of a world it is right now, because 2020 by far one of my worst years other than the baby. 2020 has gone wrong in so many different ways. It's crazy. But yeah, I really hope y'all like the you know, little update on the mobile home. Definitely have a lot more content, you know, as I get not as shy to the camera. I think I'm getting there. I'm getting a lot better. But you know, as we go on, there'll be a lot more content, you know, when the baby comes around. There'll be a lot more content on the mobile home, you know, whenever we move in, doing our renovating and stuff. Like, I would like to stay in the cabinets. I don't think they're gonna stay in the cabinets, because the cabinets on right now, they're kind of like a khaki, you know, just basic wood color, any, you know, classic mobile home would have. But I really want to stay in the cabinets. You know, I want to do the trims, paint those black on the outside. There's just a lot of stuff, you know, coming up in the future that's, you know, actually watchable, not just random. Woo! It's close. That red light switched on me really fast. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed, you know, this update. There's definitely be a few more updates. I think I'm gonna go tomorrow or the day after, probably the day after, just so I can let them get some work done and I can actually go through and, you know, genuinely look at everything. But yeah, hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know, share. Let's get this channel out there, and y'all have a great day.